Wow. 9:12, everybody. Air Force instructor pilots at Joint Base San Antonio Randolph are learning their skills using new technology.
That's right. Instead of PowerPoints and lectures, they are adding 3D video programs to their training.
For this week's Tech Essay, GMSA at 9's Tiffany Huertas has an exclusive interview on how the U.S. Air Force is evolving and the way they train their pilots.
This is the pilot instructor training, also known as Pit Next.
This is just a 3D video. So this is a VR 360-degree video that we have shot with a VR camera.
Cross-check the airspeed and altitude.
Commander of the 560th Flying Training Squadron, Lieutenant Colonel Matthew Strohmeyer, says a few weeks ago they implemented these VR systems.
In the 4 months that these students are training here, they're learning about airspeed control, they're learning about landing, and so much more.
What we think that we're going to be able to do is allow those students to get to the aircraft with far more experience, far more proficiency, and they've been able to see the environment they'll be operating in instead of just receiving a PowerPoint briefing.
One of these cost about $4,000.
We can get about 300 of these systems for the cost it would take us to get a traditional simulator system.
But the nice thing about this technology is with a few mouse clicks, you can change it to any aircraft in the Air Force.
Lieutenant Colonel Strohmeyer says it's not just about cutting-edge technology. It's about having the best pilots to protect our country.
So the Air Force is really focusing on how can we ensure that we maintain, or that we can maintain that competitive advantage to be able to provide the air superiority and the air power for America for any future conflict that we might find ourselves in.
Reporting from Randolph Air Force Base, Tiffany Huertas, KSAT 12 News.